Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
How do I lower the pH in my fish tank naturally? Here are a few recommended methods to lower the pH in your aquarium. Chemical solutions. Possible the most common way to lower the pH in aquariums is using a bottle of chemical solution. Driftwood, peat moss, catappa leaves, CO2 reactors, water changes, reverse osmosis units. Can I use vinegar to lower the pH in my fish tank? Yes, you can lower the pH in your fish tank with vinegar, but this method is just a temporary solution. This ionization process that occurs will affect the water in your aquarium immediately. However, it takes few hours for this process to work and completely lower your tank pH levels. Can I use vinegar to lower pH in water? In most tap water, well water is alkaline. Test the pH of your water with a pH tester to determine the hardness. Then, add vinegar to water, not the other way round. Ideally, you can add 2 to 9 tablespoons of vinegar to 1 gallon of water. Is 8.2 picohenries too high for aquarium? A substance with a measurement of 0 to 6.9 picohenries is acidic, while a pH of 7.1 to 14 is considered alkaline. Most aquarium fish thrive in pure water, which is a neutral pH of 7. A tank with high pH, meaning it's very alkaline, is dangerous for fish and their habitat. How do I bring my pH down? To bring down pH, use a made-for-pools chemical additive called pH reducer, or pH-. The main active ingredients in pH reducers are either muriatic acid or sodium bisulfate, also called dry acid. Reducers are readily available at pool supply stores, home improvement centers and online.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.